Today we're making a fresh, light, and incredibly delicious salmon salad. Fresh vegetables, tender salmon, and a perfect honey mustard dressing. Let's make this salmon salad in just a few minutes. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half and slice the cucumbers. Add lettuce leaves. Cut the lightly salted salmon into thin slices. In a small bowl, mix oil, honey, whole grain mustard, and lemon juice. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Place vegetables and salmon on a plate. Drizzle the honey mustard dressing over the salad. Serve immediately and enjoy this fresh, flavorful dish.